While there are many reasons to visit America, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks before planning a trip. Some reasons why someone might choose not to visit America include concerns about safety due to crime rates or mass shootings in certain areas, the high cost of healthcare and education, political polarization, issues related to racism and discrimination, and environmental concerns such as pollution and climate change. However, it's essential to remember that America is a vast and diverse country, and experiences can vary greatly depending on the region visited and personal preferences. Certainly, here are more detailed explanations for why someone might choose not to visit America. 1. Safety concerns. While America is generally safe for tourists, certain cities and neighborhoods may have higher crime rates or be prone to incidents like mass shootings. This can lead some travelers to feel uneasy or unsafe, especially if they're unfamiliar with the area or don't speak the language fluently. 2. Healthcare and education costs. America is known for its high healthcare and education costs. Without proper insurance coverage, visitors may face exorbitant medical bills in case of emergencies. Additionally, the cost of higher education, if one chooses to study or attend conferences in the U.S., can be prohibitively expensive for many international visitors. 3. Political polarization. The political climate in America can be highly polarized, which may make some visitors uncomfortable, particularly if they prefer to avoid discussions about politics or if they have strong opinions that differ from prevailing local attitudes. 4. Racism and discrimination. While progress has been made, America still grapples with issues related to racism and discrimination. Visitors, especially those from marginalized communities, may face instances of prejudice or discrimination, which can detract from the overall experience. Environmental concerns. America is a major contributor to global environmental issues such as pollution and climate change. Visitors may be concerned about the environmental impact of their travels, especially if they witness firsthand the effects of pollution or experience extreme weather events exacerbated by climate change. 6. Visa restrictions and immigration policies. Obtaining a visa to enter the United States can be a complex and time-consuming process for citizens of certain countries. Additionally, America's immigration policies and procedures may deter some travelers, particularly those who have concerns about potential difficulties or delays in obtaining entry. 7. Gun violence. America has a high rate of gun ownership and gun-related violence compared to many other countries. Some visitors may feel uncomfortable or unsafe in environments where firearms are prevalent, especially if they come from countries with stricter gun control laws. 8. Over-commercialization and consumerism. America is often associated with a culture of consumerism and over-commercialization, where shopping malls, fast food chains, and advertising dominate the landscape. Some travelers may prefer destinations with a more authentic or less commercialized atmosphere. 9. Urban sprawl and traffic congestion. Many American cities are characterized by urban sprawl and extensive highway systems, leading to traffic congestion, long commute times, and environmental issues such as air pollution. Navigating crowded highways and bustling urban areas can be stressful for some visitors. Lack of public transportation infrastructure. While some major cities in America have extensive public transportation systems, others rely heavily on cars, making it challenging for visitors to navigate without access to a vehicle. Limited public transportation options may hinder travelers who prefer to rely on public transit during their trips. 11. Cultural stereotypes and misconceptions. America is often portrayed in media and popular culture in ways that perpetuate stereotypes or misconceptions about its people, culture, and way of life. Some travelers may be hesitant to visit due to preconceived notions or misinformation about the country and its inhabitants. It's important to note that these concerns may not apply universally across the country. And many visitors have positive experiences in America. However, it's essential for travelers to research and consider these factors when planning their trips. Certainly, here are some additional reasons why someone might choose not to visit America. These factors, along with others, may influence an individual's decision not to visit America, but it's important to recognize that perceptions and experiences can vary widely among different travelers. It's all up to you whether you want to go or not. Thanks for watching.